Oke, ready? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. How are you today? I hope you are happy today guys and excited when you are doing activities. In the Google Meet, we will presenting about chemical engineering material in discussion. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lira Madaning Tias as a host in here and my team, Fitri. Hello Fitri. And the next, Syahrani. Hello Syahrani.
Hai.
And next, Ayu. Hello Ayu, are you good?
Hello, yes, I'm good.
Okay, and the next, Yunita. How are you, Yunita?
Hai.
And the last, Yuni. Hello Yuni, I hope you are happy today.
Halo Lira.
And back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you host. Okay, I'm the moderator Syarani. Will guide the discussion about chemical engineering material today. Can you see?
Yes, I see.
Okay. Okay, first material will be delivered by Fitri. To Fitri, please welcome.
Thank you, Syahrani. Hello, guys. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Landari. Thank you for attending this discussion. As we know, there are many types of tools used in industry, ranging from heaters, separators, mixers, and others. Therefore, on this occasion, I will discuss about chemical industry tools, especially separators. For our discussion topic that are filtration, procedure, factors, rotary drum vacuum filter, application in industry, advantage and disadvantage. Before discussing about the separator, I will explain a little about filtration. Filtration. The filtration process is a method of separating suspended solids in a certain mixture by passing the mixture through a filter medium that has pores of a certain size. The most important things in filtration: first, flowing fluids through porous media. Second, filtration can occur due to the driving force such as gravity, pressure, and vacuum. Procedure. First, the separation of solids from a solid liquid mixture is carried out with the help of a porous media called a filter medium. Second, the liquid-solid suspension is passed through the filter medium. The solid will be retained on the filter medium while the liquid will pass through it. The filtered fluid is called the filtrate. Influencing factors. First, solid type. Second, composition of solids and liquids in the mixture. Third, viscosity of solution. And the last is pressure. Next, we will discuss about one example of a separator, namely rotary drum vacuum filter. Rotary drum vacuum filter is one of the filters used in liquid-solid separation in industry. RDVF is operated on a large scale as well as continuous process. This type of filter has long been applied and is the most commonly used in the industrial world. In one turn, the rotary drum filter performs the stage of filtering, washing, drying, and collecting cake. Main part of RDVF, there are drum filter. Drum filter designed to carry the filter medium or cloth on the outer surface. Container RDVF. This container is filled with a solid suspension to be filtered. medium filter acts as a separating component that will pass the filtered liquid and hold the cake. Cake, a solid on the surface of the filter medium, and knife used to take the cake that sticks with which will then be collected is a cake holder. Types of LDVF. First, external LDVF. Second, internal LDVF. And third, top feed LDVF. LDVF application in industry. First, water and waste treatment used for filtration of mixed waste materials can also be used to treat raw water taken from underground. Second, food and beverage, designed with special specification to ensure the purity and contamination of a product. Third, chemistry and pharmacy. Example of pharmaceutical application include the collection of calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, and starch. Fourth, precious metal processing, paper making. Six, coal industry. Seven, chemical industry, and the last, fertilizer industry. For the advantage of LDVF, there are high filtration ability, can be used for high pressure filtration process. The filter use can last longer, and maintenance is easy. And the last, for disadvantage of LDVF is there is a cake that requires a long drying time to reach the humidity point. The size of the filtrate that is smaller than 1000 ppm or greater than 5000 ppm will cause the LDVF to work less than optimally. And the last, high energy consumption by vacuum pump. That's all our discussion material. I will back it to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Fitri. Well, to the audience, those who want to ask are welcome. Okay, please. Okay, please.
Okay, Fitri, I have question for you. And what kind of material can be separated using RDVF?
Okay, thank you, Yuni. Anyone else want to ask? Okay, please, Ayu.
Yes, Fitri, one of the disadvantages of RDVF is the high energy composition of the vacuum pump. According to the opinion of you, is there a method or way to make this energy efficient? And is it possible energy can be obtained from the rest of the heat of another tool or what? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ayu. Anyone else want to ask?
I have a question for Fitri.
Okay.
Fitri, of type RDVF is used under what condition? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lira. Okay, thank you to the audience for asking. To Fitri, I welcome to answer question from the audience.
Okay, thank you for the question. I will answer the question one by one. For the first question, the answer is materials can be separated using LDVF include first sewage sludge, pigment, resin, plastic or polymer, calcium compounds, titanium dioxide, minerals, and inorganic chemical compounds.
Okay, can you accept the answer, Yuni?
Okay, thank you, Fitri.
You're welcome.
Okay, next, Fitri.
For the second question, the answer is high energy consumption by vacuum pump is one of the disadvantages of LDVF. This weakness don't make tools its bad, because for the selection of LDVF, separation of solid and liquid is the best, because of the power to separate the highest liquids and solids compared to other tools like centrifuge. The liquid that is included in the solid is still sufficient, higher than the LDVF. In LDVF, the fluid that is involved in solids only about 2%, so the separation is good. Due to high separation, there is pump power that sucks, so that the electric power much larger than the centrifuge. Due to the much better separation result, it is natural that there is a high energy consumption. In selecting the separator, one must know weakness of each tool, such as a DVF, plate and frame, centrifuge, or decanter. Every tool has a characteristic, so you can choose a tool suitable for the separation of solids and liquids, which will be separated. With the latest technology can be minimized, but with consequence, the price becomes more expensive.
Okay, can you accept the answer, Ayu?
Yes, thank you, Fitri.
You're welcome.
Okay, next.
And for the last question, the answer is first, external LDVF is used for high temperature and high concentration liquid. Second, internal LDVF, ideal for fast settling slurry and doesn't want a perfect wash. And for the last is top fit LDVF, suitable for easy solids handling settles and is quick to filter.
Okay, can you accept the answer, Lira?
Yes, enough. Thank you, Fitri.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Fitri, for presenting the material result. Okay, the next presentation will be delivered by me. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
I'm Sharani Pramestari. I will present the result of my material on chemical engineering with the title Utility. Okay, please listen. Introduction. Utility is the amount or relative satisfaction or gratification that has been obtained. Utility is also a process support unit that plays a role to support the progress of a process in the factory. Utilities are used to maintain the condition of the production unit. And the next type of utility: 1. Water treatment unit, 2. Steam control unit, 3. Compressed air steering unit, 4. Electricity procurement unit, 5. Fuel procurement unit, and 6. Sewage treatment unit. 1. Water treatment unit. This unit serves to provide and treat water to meet water needs such as cooling water, boiler feed water, sanitary water, and hydrant water. This is example of a water treatment unit. Next, steam control unit. Steam formation occurs in the boiler. Steam is water vapor of water in the gas phase used to 1. Heating inside heat exchangers such as distillation towers, evaporators. 2. Burning fuel oil or oil refinery. 3. Power generation in steam turbines. And that example of a steam control unit. Next, compressed air steering unit. The use of compressed air is 1. As a process in the gas separation industry. 2. As air instrumentation used for pneumatic equipment such as pneumatic conveyor, belt conveyor, and screw conveyor. And that example of a compressed air steering unit. Next, electricity procurement unit. Electricity needs are as motor drive, process, and utility tools, lighting in factories and office. Electricity needs can be obtained from PLN or generators. And then example of a electricity procurement unit. Okay, next, fuel procurement unit. Fuel serve to meet the fuel needs of boiler and generators. And then example of a fuel procurement unit. And the last, sewage treatment unit. First stage processing to remove suspended solids, pathogenic organisms, and organic matter physically. Second or secondary stage processing is an active sludge process in the aeration tank that will produce of a sludge of bioflux to be precipitated. And then example of a sewage treatment unit. Okay, thank you. Enough of the result of my presentation. If you have any question, please welcome. Please raise your hand. Okay, please, Yunita.
Okay, in the sewage treatment unit, there are two stages of processing. Can you explain the process at each stage?
Okay, thank you, Yunita, for your ask. Okay, anyone else? Okay, please, Yuni.
Okay, Rani, I have question for you. What
Okay.
is the difference between using electricity from VLN and generator in factories? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Yuni. Anyone else want to ask? Okay, please, Fitri.
Thank you, Rani. I have a question for you. The question is, when the water treatment unit, there is a type of hydrant water. What is the function of hydrant water? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Fitri. Okay, thank you for your asking. I will answer question from Yunita first. The question is, in the sewage treatment unit, there are two stages of processing. Can you explain the process at each stage? Okay, the answer is, so in the first stage consists of three processes, namely one, sand and grit removal, which aim the precipitate solid particle, and two solid sludge for a place to settle the mud in the tank. And three, liquid is the liquid the flow into the aeraton tanks. And while the second step consists of two processes, namely one, disinfection to kill a microorganism, and two, effluent is wastewater that has been treated and ready to be disposed of. Yunita, can you accept the answer? Yunita. Yunita, can you accept the answer? Okay. Next, I will answer question from Yuni. The question is, what is the difference between using electricity from PLN and generator in factory? Okay, the answer is, if you use electricity from PLN, it will cost less than a generator. However, many industrial plants use generator to ensure how electricity is always and when the plant is operating, because if you use PLN electricity, at any time there will be power stack. And if you can describe the production, the power outgas. Yuni, can you accept the answer?
Okay, enough. Thank you, Rani.
Okay, thank you, Yuni. And the last question by Fitri. The question is, when the water treatment unit, this is a type of hydrant water. What is the function of hydrant water? Okay, the answer is as an emergency fire control tool by providing the water supply needed by the firefighting team or damkar. Can you accept the answer, Fitri?
Yes, Rani, thank you.
Okay, thank you guys for asking to me. Okay, then thank you for your attention. And the next presentation will be delivered by Ayu. To Ayu, please welcome.
Yes, thank you, Rani.
Yes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for attending this discussion. Introduce, my name is Aidiar Tati. Here I will present about waste treatment in industry. Next. Waste treatment is the process of removing a hazardous substance that can damage to environment. The purpose of waste treatment is to protect the environment from various kinds of pollution that occur. Next. Kind of waste treatment. Waste treatment is divided into three, namely solid waste treatment, liquid waste treatment, and waste gas treatment. Solid waste treatment, there are four ways, namely sanitary landfill, incineration, composting, and recycling. Next, in sanitary landfill, in this method, the waste is burned in a hole line with a layer of clay and plastic sheets to prevent the spread of the waste into the ground. Next, incineration. It is the burning of solid waste or waste using a David kiln and incinerator. The advantage of this process is that it reduces the volume of waste by up to 19%. In addition, the incineration process generates heat which can be used to generate electric. Next, composting. This method is to process organic waste such as vegetables, animal waste through a decomposing process by certain microorganisms. The last, recycling. The process of turning used material into new material with the aim of preventing waste that can actually be useful, reducing the use of the raw material, reducing energy use, reducing pollution, land damage, and greenhouse gas emission when compared to the process of making good. The next, liquid waste treatment. One, primary treatment. Two, secondary treatment. Tertiary treatment, disinfection, and salt treatment. In primary treatment, most of the primary process takes of liquid waste are in the form of physical processing. E. Screening. B. Pre-treatment. C. Sedimentation. And last, filtration. Secondary treatment. The secondary processing step is a biological treatment process involving microorganisms that can decompose or degrade organic matter. There are three commonly used biological treatment methods, namely the trickling filter method, the activated shock method, and the treatment pot or Lagos method. Next, tertiary treatment. Tertiary treatment is carried out after primary and secondary treatment. There are still certain substances in the liquid waste that can be harmful to the environment or society. Next, disinfection. The disinfection mechanism can be chemical, namely by adding certain compost or substance, or by physical treatment. The last, soak treatment. Soak from sewage treatment will be treated with aerobic digestion, then distribute to several alternatives, namely being discarded into the sea, made into compost, or burned. The last, waste gas treatment. Processing of gas waste is technical varied up by adding tools that can reduce air pollution. There are several ways to deal with air pollution by waste gas, namely controlling exhaust emission, removing particulate matter from exhaust air. Yang I, air filter, B, silicone deposition, C, wet filter, D, gravity system deposition, and last, electrostatic deposition. Thank you. And I will back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Ayu. Well, to the audience, those who want to ask, please welcome. Okay, I want to ask Ayu, can you explain in detail about wastewater treatment in primary treatment? Okay, guys, anyone else want to ask? Okay, please, Fitri. Okay, Fitri.
I'm sorry. Please explain the activated sludge method. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Fitri. Anyone else? Anyone? Okay, guys, anyone else want to ask? Okay, Ayu, I think it's enough. Please, to answer the question.
Okay, thank you for your question. I will answer question one by one. The first, I will answer the question for Syahrani. Screening. First, the effort following through the sphere is filtered using a grid of filters. This method is called filtering. The filtration method is a efficient and inexpensive way to remove like solids from wastewater. B. Pretreatment. The filtered waste is then cooled into a tank or tube which function to separate sand and other relative like suspended solid particle. Yang C, after going through the initial processing steps, the liquid waste will be channeled into a tank or settling tank. The deposition method is the main treatment method and the most widely used in the primary treatment of liquid waste. In the settling tank, the liquid waste is allowed to settle so that the solid particle suspended in the wastewater can settle to the bottom of the tank. The deposit of this particle will form soap which will then be separated from the wastewater to another channel from future treatment. The last, fluoridation. This method is effective used to get rid of pollution in the form of oil or fat. The flotation process is carried out using a tool that can produce small air bubble, plus min 30 to 1020 microns. This air bubble will carry oil and fat particles to the surface of the wastewater so that they can then be removed.
Okay, thank you, Ayu, for your answer. Okay, next question for from Yunita.
My question, explain to the method of treatment ponds or lagoons.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Ayu, please you answer the question.
Yes. Next, I will answer the question from Fitri. In the activated soak method, the liquid waste is channeled into a tank where the waste is mixed with soap, which is rich in aerobic bacteria. The degradation process takes place in the tank for several hours. As this time when the provision of aerated air bubbles. Aerated can accelerate the work of bacteria in degraded waste.
Okay, thank you. Can you accept the answer, Fitri?
Yes. Thank you,
Okay.
Ayu.
Okay, next, Ayu.
Yeah, you're welcome. The last, I will answer the question for Junita. The treatment ponds or Lagons method is a inexpensive method, but the process is relatively slow. In this method, the liquid waste is placed in open ponds. Algae that grow on the surface of the ponds will photosynthesize to produce oxygen. The oxygen is then used by aerobacteria from the decomposition or degradation of organic matter in the waste.
Okay, can you accept the answer, Yunita?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you
Thank you.
to Ayu for presenting the material result. Okay, the next presentation will be delivered by Yunita. To Yunita, please welcome.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let
Hi.
me introduce myself. My name is Yunita Rasaditya. Here I will present material about Material Safety Data Sheet or MSDS. Next. Material Safety Data Sheet, or MSDS, or in the Decree of the Minister of Industry number 87 or M in the part 9 2009 that the material safety data sheet is an important document to support work safety in the laboratory, which contains chemical information including physical, chemical, the type of hazard gas, how to handle it, special action in an emergency, disposal, and other information needed in the laboratory. Next. The manufacturing of MSDS is the obligation of chemical manufacturers, and chemicals users have the right to obtain MSDS from the suppliers even though the suppliers is not the maker or manufacturing of the chemicals, but the suppliers is obligated to provide the MSDS of the distributed chemicals that they obtained from the manufacturer. The company as user is obligated to provide MSDS in the workplace or areas that are easily accessible or known by workers. The company is also obligated to provide training on the MSDS to work so that they can read and understand the MSDS. Next. MSDS requirement in general. The identity of all ingredients contains under 100 if they have hazard properties to health or if they can release hazard substance exchanging the specific there's value or NAV. Health hazard including signs and symptoms if exposed. Third, medical condition that occur on exposure. The main routine into the body or route of entry. danger of cancer, if any, physical and chemical properties, exposure on for NAF, danger warning, cleaning procedure, and first aid or emergency. Next. Uh, information is in MSDS based on ANSI format. A. Section 1 provide detailed information on the name, CAS number, or information registration number, the name of the insuring company, and the emergency contact number. The CAS number is a unique number assigned by the ATS or Chemical Abstract Service to each now discovered or synthesized chemical. Section 2 identifies OSHA hazard material and may include other key ingredients and threshold. Section 3 show the effect on health. Section 4 um, excuse me, this symbol, can you have symbol? Section 4 provide the first aid. Section 4 provide the first aid manufacturing that need to be given to exposed to these chemicals. Next. Section 6 and 5 show the magnitude of the firefighting action that needs to be taken. Section 6 outlines the procedures that needs to be taken if an accident with the material occurs. Section 7 provides information on handling and storing chemicals. This part is an important part. Section 8 outlines the regulatory limits for chemical exposures, typical the maximum PEL value. Next. Section 9 provides information on the physical and chemical properties of materials. Section 10 provides information on reactivity and stability. Section 11 provides account and chronic toxic information. Section 12 shows both the ecotoxicity and the hazard of the material to the environment. Next. Section 13 provides advice on chemical disposal. Section 14 provides the required distribution information. Section 15 provides an outline of regulatory information such as hazard codes. Section 16 provides information on warning labels that of preparation or revision and who issued the MSDS. This is a symbol in MSDS. You can see the symbol. Next. Okay, this is a presentation for me. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you, Yunita. Okay, guys, can you ask, please? Okay, please, Lira.
I have a question for Yunita. What are the symbols used in MSDS? Thank you.
Okay, anyone else want to ask? Okay, please, Ayu.
I have a question for Unita. Please explain the color level of hazardous material in MSDS. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else? Okay, please, Uni.
Okay, I have question for you, Unita. And how to save a good MSDS so it doesn't get damaged? Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys for asking. To Unita, please answer question from the audience.
Okay, I can answer step by step the question. Uh, First question from Lira. The chemical symbol is given to the chemical container on or container with the MI of providing information about the nature and danger of the chemicals. Next from the Ayu, I can answer. The blue part on the left shows the health hazard scales, and the red upper part show the flammability hazard scales. Uh, the yellow part on the right show the reactivity hazard scales. And last, the bottom explains that the white color indicates another special hazard scales. And the last question for uh, Uni, the MSPS should also be placed in a place that is usually accessible or now to all works and preferably close to where the chemicals is used. Or explained in warehouse, production areas, and laboratories.
Okay, thank you, Unita. Can you accept the answer, guys?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Unita, for presenting the material result. Okay, the next presentation will be delivered by Uni. So Uni, please welcome.
Okay, thank you, Rani. Okay, guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Yuni Marlena. On this occasion, I will present about two material occasion, safety and health. And then I will start point to discussion my present. The first definition for occupational safety and health, and second legal basis, third purpose to occupational safety and health, and four cause of work accident, and five due to work accident, and last work accident prevention pressure. Next, definition for occupational safety and health. Safety and health work, which is along from all activity for ensure and protect safety and health for work through effort prevention, accident work, and this consequent work. Constitution 50 2012. Policy occupational safety and health is commitment leader something organization company for guarantee safety and health work whole personnel in lower control also parties relate to with activity operation company organization. Next, legal basis occupational safety and health. Number one, Constitution number 1970 about safety work. Number two, Constitution number 13, 2003 about employment. Number three, Regulation Minister of Energy Work Republic Indonesia. Number five, 90 96 about system management, safety, and health work. And the last, Regulation Minister of Energy Work, Republic Indonesia, number 3, 1996, explain about accident work. Next, purpose to occupational safety and health. Number 1, creating a workplace that is safe, healthy, and free from environmental pollution. Second, avoid risk, disease, or injury on environment work. Number 3, reduce lost time, cost, and power which caused by accident work. And last, short production, preserved and used by efficient. Next, cause of work accident. Cause of work accident can be influenced by various factors from the workforce, tools, and material used to interact in a production process. The interaction of these three factors will be influenced by health, safety, and the environment, which greatly affect work accident. Next, consequence of work accident. Uh, First, visible loss, fatality, injure victim, cost treatment, and damage property. And invisible loss, damage change, make a loss, family future, and trauma-free long, and then don't mark infestation. Next, avoid prevention accident work. Number 1, avoid prevention accident work through control danger in the place. Example, monitoring and control unsafe condition in the workplace, and monitoring and control of unsafe action in the workplace. And number 2, effort prevention accident work through coaching and supervision. Uh, uh, Example, occupational safety and health training and education for the workforce, and counseling and consultation regarding the implementation of occupational safety and health with the workforce. And last, avoid prevention accident work system management. Example, procedure and occupational safety and health rules in the workplace, and professor of occupational safety and health facility and infrastructure and its support in the workplace. In the next, occupational safety and health facility and infrastructure and their support in the workplace. Tool protector self, or PPA, used to protect workers from injury or ills caused by contact with hazard in the workplace, be it chemical, biological, radiation, physical, electrical, mechanical, and others. We can see part of tool protector self, PPA, protective equipment breathing, ANPS protective equipment, safety helmet, foot protector, hand protect, air protector or air flux, and then work uniform and safety belt. Next. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Yuni. Well, to audience, who want to ask, please. Okay, guys. Okay, please, Lira.
I have question for Uni.
Okay.
What scope of occupational safety and healthy? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lira. Yuni, I want to ask for you. What are the sanctions for companies that do not implement occupational safety and healthy? Okay, guys, anyone else want to ask? Okay, please, Yunita.
What are the sections for workers who violate occupational safety and health?
Okay, thank you, Yunita, for your question. Okay, to Yuni are welcome to answer question from the audience.
Okay, thank you guys for your question. I will answer the question from Lira. The scope of occupational safety and health exists in all workplaces, whether on land, on the ground, on the surface of the water, in the water or in the air, which are within the jurisdiction of the Republic of Indonesia Constitution number 1, 1970.
Okay, Lira, can you accept the answer?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, next, Yuni.
Next, I will answer the question from Rani. If there is a violation of the occupational safety and health law, for example, the employer does not provide work safety equipment or the company doesn't check the health and physical ability of work, if will face criminal threat. This law contain a maximum imprisonment of 1 year or a maximum fine 15 million rupiah for those who do not carry out the provision of the law.
Okay, thank you, Yuni, for your answer. And the next, the
And
last
the next,
question.
I will answer the question last from Unita. What are sections for work who violate occupational safety and health? Sanctions regulate by Constitution number 1, 1970, Article 50 for parties committing occupational safety and health. Violations are in the form of imprisonment for a maximum of 3 months or a maximum fine 100,000 rupiah. Okay.
Can you accept the answer? Yunita?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, the audience, for asking, and thank you for Uni presenting the material result. Okay, the last presentation will be delivered by Lira. So, Lira, please welcome.
Okay, thank you, Rani. Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Amanda Ningtyas, and I will presenting about boiler. And subject, first definition boiler, and two principal work, three function boiler, four boiler parts, five recent damage boiler, and less application on industry. Definition boiler. Boiler is something tool which produce steam from water with root warm up. Steam that generated on pressure curtain then used from steam hot to something process. The case which need notice on change water becomes steam. 1. Container is the place for the water becomes steam water. 2. Water is ingredients for make steam after heated. 3. Hot is energy which used for change water becomes steam. Principal work boiler. Principal work boiler by general is conversion and transfer energy which conserved ingredient burn becomes energy which conserved steam water. Process release energy ingredients burn done with method react in ingredient burn with oxygen which taken from air. Mixing among elements which could burn on ingredients burn with oxygen will causing misheat energy which conserved ingredients burn. Energy the will raise level energy smoke gas so the temperature gas the right. Ascension temperature that gas are causing happening displacement energy hot good radiation conversion from smoke gas to wall water. Water the required for rise temperature water becomes steam. Function boiler. Boiler working as aircraft conversion energy which convert energy chemical or potential from ingredient burn becomes energy hot. Boiler consists from two components main that is 1. Furnace as tool for change energy chemical be energy hot. 2. Tool vaporizer which change energy burning becomes energy potential steam. Boiler parts. Number 1, this is flame tap, and number 2, manhole and hole inspection. Number 3, wet bag. Number 4, side holes. Number 5, safety flap. Number 6, this is the place cleaning phase. Number 7, exploitation ingredient burn. Number 8, whole glass. 9, circulation. Number 10, steady capacity and pressure. 11, high grade insulation. 12, steam dryer. Types boilers. Based on type boiler pipe. 1. Fire tube boiler. Fire tube boiler is type boiler where gas hot pass pipes and water bait boiler there is in the cell for change becomes steam. Composed from tank the water, perforated and traveled pipes. Where gas hot waste flow on tank, they use for heat water in tank. Water that heated produce steam hot which cold use for heat water in the room, bed or laundry. This is picture fire tube boiler. And 2. Water tube boiler. Water tube boiler is type boiler where water bait boiler flow through to the pipes enter into the drum. Water that circulation heated by gas burner shapes steam on area steam in drum. boiler. This chosen is need steam and pressure very steamy tall and gas boiler for generator power. Characteristic water tap boiler as following: first, included and balanced drive help for upgrading efficiency burning and allow for level efficiency hot which mortal. This is which tour of water tap boiler. Based on fuel. 1. Solid fuel. Type the boiler in radiant burn in caustic own characteristic. Price ingredients raw burning relatively more expensive compared with the boiler used in radiance burn liquid and electricity. Maker efficiency from type is more good if compared with boiler type electricity. And 2. Oil fuel. Type the boiler ingredients burn it liquid on characteristic. Price ingredients raw burning most expensive compared with all type. Marker efficiency from type is more good if compared with boiler ingredients burn caustic and electricity. And 3. Gaseous fuel. Type the boiler ingredient burn it is gas own characteristic. Price ingredients raw burning very expensive compared with all type boilers. Market efficiency from type is more good in compared with all type boiler based on ingredients burn. Warm up, which occur among burning among LNG or liquid natural gas with oxygen and sulfur hot. Placing ingredients raw the burning more inexpensive between all another boiler. 4. Electric type boiler electricity own characteristic. Price ingredient raw warm up relatively more inexpensive compared with the boiler used ingredients burn liquid. Marker efficiency from type this very low is compared with all type boiler based on ingredients burn it. Warm up which occur consequent source electricity with supplying a source hot. Based on uses. 1. Power boiler, steam that generated boiler. This use type water tube boiler. Result the steam generated on pressure and capacity which big, so that capable rotate turbine and produce electricity from generator. Utility main producer steam for produce electricity from generator. And 2. Industrial boilers. Steam that generator boiler. This use water tube boiler or fire tube boiler. Used for operate process industry and as addition hot. Steam on pressure which currently and capacity which big. Commercial boiler. Steam that generated boiler. This use water tube boiler or fire tube boiler used for operate operation commercial pressure which on low. 4. Residential boiler. Steam that generated boiler. This use boiler type fire tube boiler. This on pressure and capacity which low. Usually used on housing area. 5. Heat recovery boiler. Steam dish generator boiler. This use boiler type water tube boiler or fire tube boilers. Steam that generated on capacity and pressure which peak. Utility main as producer steam from steam hot which no use. Steam result this used for operate process industry. This is picture of heat recovery boilers. substances reason damage boiler. Substances which contained in boiler water causing damage boiler is 1. The level of soluble methanol. 2. Suspended solid. 3. KNM gas salt. 4. Silica, sulfate, free acid, and oxide. 5. Organic matter. Application boiler in industry. One, coal-fired power plant energy, hot coal converted to in energy electricity with help boiler, turbine, and generator. After coal, mashed with blue vessel or coal mill until becomes flow coal. This will push get air hot from primary air fan wheel injection to room wheel boilers hot, which generated from process burning. This through process displacement hot by convection will change the water flow in the pipes there is in the boiler becomes steam feed up or saturated steam. Result steam hot dry from superheater distributed to turbine pressure it fall with help the pipe stick. Moment turbine move, step turbine with connected with generator follow turn that is part generator rotor and joined with stator. Two, boiler master system. Function power plant from cold shared becomes two part important that is boiler master and turbine master. Steam which used for generator electricity is generated from process change from water to steam which done it by boiler is part from master boiler. So that boiler is something component in power plant working for change water becomes steam through series in process. The complex were inside to occur displacement hot and conversion energy from chemical to hot. Type the boiler used in the form of type with controller circulation that is circulation water and steam on the boiler not occur by natural but forced to with pump boiler water circulation pump. Guess this make it easy operation boiler for adapt with needs water and steam so that it according with burned which one. Boiler this design with on processing teams warm up return. Boiler is something component big which consists from component main and component servant so that is process work reach efficiency optimum. Thank you guys for attention. And back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Lira, for the last presentation. Okay, the audience, choose one to ask, please. Okay, please, Ayu.
Yes, Lira, I have question for you. What is the method used to remove dissolved oxygen in boiler feed water? Thank you, Lira.
Okay, thank you, Ayu. And Lira, I want to ask for you. What condition can cause boiler efficiency to drop? Okay, guys, anyone? Okay, Fitri, please.
Lila, I have a question for you. What condition can cause corrosion of the boiler tube?
Okay, thank you guys for asking. So, Lira, please to answer question for the audience.
Okay, wait. Question 1 is what is the method used to remove dissolved oxygen? I will answer question from Ayu. In mechanically operate the deaerator, in chemically doing hydrogen injection. How is it? Enough with the answer, Ayu?
Are you?
Yes, enough.
Can you
Thank
accept?
you, Lira.
Okay.
You're
Next, Lira.
welcome. Okay. Question to Syahrani.
Yes, by me.
Okay, I will answer question from Syahrani. One, incorrect air to fuel ratio. Two, there is slagging in the boiler top. And three, excess water is too big. And four, the exhaust gas temperature is still too high. How is it? Enough with the answer, Syahrani?
Okay. Okay, enough. And I ask. Okay, the last question.
Okay, I will answer question Fitri. One, dissolved oxygen content in the water excess the limit. Two, there is contamination which enter when condenser leak occurs. And three, no pressure fluctuation during unit shutdown. Enough, Fitri?
Okay,
Fitri?
enough, Lira. Thank you.
Yes, you're
Okay.
welcome, guys.
Okay, thank you guys, and thank you Lira for presenting the material result. With the progress of the sixth presentation discussion will also end today. Thank you for the audience for the attention. Thank you. You have contributed. Then I will back it to the host. The host, please welcome.
Okay, thank you to the moderator for guiding today's discussion.
Yes,
And
you're
thank
welcome.
you to my friend who have submitted the material. And now this final part. So thank you for the attention on this presentation. Sorry if any misunderstand and see you guys. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.